Dzień dobry Państwu. So on this video, we're going to talk about looking for an educational consultancy firm or doing it yourself. We're going to talk more on how you're going to pursue your dreams, the things that you're going to do when you are looking for universities, things that you will be taking a step further, pursuing your dreams here in Europe or studying in abroad. So stay tuned and we're going to talk about this further in the next parts. So first is we're going to talk about doing it yourself. DIY or do it yourself is relatively cheaper than having an agency. Why? Because you're not going to pay for agency fees. And the real challenge here is you're going to do it yourself, like the name itself. You have to search for the process, like what you're doing now, like what you're reading or watching. So you're doing research on how to get it done in studying here abroad. So the tips in doing it yourself is that you have to search for the university, you have to look for successful clients or successful international students who made it here with without the help of agencies or perhaps having their experiences and in processing their visas, processing their papers, constant emailing to universities and colleges in Europe, because that's a very challenging one. And how did they prepare for their visa interview and their landing, actually, basically landing here in Europe. So that's a very challenging one. And perhaps in the near future, I'll be asking my friend, my, my batchmate here who did do it yourself, DIY processing her papers here in Poland. And maybe we can get her insights about how she made it here. For agency-based consultancy firm, so we have several companies back in the Philippines, but I would really suggest that, so when you choose an educational consultancy firm, I would really suggest that you will choose a company or a firm that has the experience or has their company based in the country of destination, the university, or they have this kind of first-hand experience, not just, oh, I heard this one, sabi nito, they told me like this and that, but they don't really have the experience or they don't really have this first-hand information because it will be really hard for you to to have the right information. It's actually an incentive for you when you know that this company is speaking for its experience. When you're searching for agencies, check their Facebook and then or website for more reliable information, or perhaps if they have testimonies or Instagram, and you may check for more reliable information based on their success rate and services that they offer. And for me, I would really suggest that you also connect with students who already took the services from that kind of agency and then maybe get their insights and then their experiences. And perhaps if you get to know them and then get their side, you may also get their experiences and how is the life in the country of destination that you're planning to. So yes, when you plan to study abroad, you have two options. You have to do it DIY, or you may choose an educational consultancy firm that would probably and may help you from step one till the landing part of your journey. So I have several educational consultancy firm that I could probably get in touch with so that we can have their ideas and we can have their insights and some of the tips that they're going to share with us. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your suggestions here in my channel so that we can connect And perhaps you may also like my Instagram and message me, send me a DM, and I will try to be as responsive as I could, and we will connect with each other so that we will be able to fulfill everyone's dreams and we will manifest all the process. So, to wszystko, dziękuję bardzo. Do widzenia!